Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurudayana and I am from group 5. So today we're going to present for two parts, which is the vehicle inspection and also replacement of engine oil and filter. Okay, the first one is vehicle inspection. Inspect the engine oil level. Okay, in this picture the engine oil level is good, which is not too low. Okay, if the engine oil is too low, it will lead to wear and tear of the engine for in an extreme level. Okay, if it's too much, it can cause the lubricating performance decreases. Okay, the next one is air filter element. Okay, this condition is very good, which is in a good condition. If the air filter is dirty, it can cause wear and tear on your engine. Okay, the next one is cabin filter. Okay, this cabin filter is in good condition, and if the cabin filter is clogged, it can reduce the efficiency of the HVAC system. Okay, the next one is transmission fluid check. Okay, in this picture, the transmission fluid check is in a good condition, which is it's just above the H mark, which is in hot condition. Okay, if the transmission fluid is low, it can cause transmission failure, gear slipping, and also a hard time shifting the gear. Okay, so the last one for my part is the power steering fluid. Okay, the power steering fluid is in need of attention because it is not full and it is not too low. If the power steering fluid is too low, it can cause more air to enter, and the combination of low fluid and lots of air will make the pump malfunction and also make noises. Okay, so that's all from me. The next part will be presented by my group member. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Abailan, so I will present my part. Okay, this is, as you can see, a brake fluid level. This brake fluid level needs replacement. As you can see, the color is too dark, and the color is too dark to be considered as good. So it needs to be replaced. Not changing the brake fluid will cause moisture contamination. Overfilling brake fluid will cause leaking, which will cause corrosive to the engine if not cleaned immediately. The next is engine coolant level, and as you can see, the coolant level is in good condition and in good level. Overfilling engine coolant oil will lead to electrical damage if it's overflow and come contact to engine wiring. This is washer fluid. Washer fluid level seems to be in good condition. Overfill the washer fluid could lead the container to breaks and cause leaks. So the next is battery performance. The battery indicator is black, which indicates that it is charged. Car battery is important and always needed to keep in check because the battery is the central power for all electrical in the vehicle and to keep the car running stable. And lastly, for my part, this is engine belting. The engine belting in this vehicle is in good condition. If the belt is loose, it could slip and it could cause other mechanical problems such as engine overheating condition because of the pump could not produce enough pressure. That's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Number 11, radiator gap. As in the image, radiator cap need to be replaced. Bottom seal is worn out and vacuum relief valve is rusty. Use coolant recommended by car dealer to prevent engine malfunction and damage the coolant system. Broken radiator cap can cause leaking coolant, engine overheating, collapse radiator hose, and coolant radiator reservoir overflowing. Number 12, shock absorber. The shock absorber is in good condition. Broken shock absorber can cause excessive bouncing when hitting bumps, steering wheel vibration, and leaking. Number 13, brake pads. Brake pads is in a good condition. Worn out brake pads can damage the brake rotors and calipers. Slow response time when braking. Car vibrates when braking and it can wear down your tires. Number 14, fuel and brake lines. Fuel and brake line in good condition. Failing fuel and brake line can brake warning light may illuminate when brake sensor activate. Bad brake line can cause brake fluid leak out when brakes are applied. Corrosion build up at brake line, causing it weakened and more susceptible to leaks. Brake and pedal clutch. Brake and pedal clutch is in good condition. Broken brake and clutch pedal makes noise when engaging and disengaging. Clutch pedal remains stuck to the floor, cannot get transmission into gear.
Number 16, parking brake. Parking brake is in good condition. Sign of damaged parking brake. When pulling the brake, there is no tension. It may cause by brake cable damage. It unable to maintain the car static position. For number 17, lighting horn indicator. Lighting horn and indicator all functioning. The warning light will illuminate briefly when the engine is turned on to check the bulb. If warning light remain illuminated, however, you should take your vehicle in for service. Number 18 is safety belt. Safety belt set is in good condition. There is no sign of worn out on the safety belt or the buckle. Number 19 is tire pressure. For this vehicle, the tire need to be pumped to increase the tire pressure. Number 20, tire physical condition. The tire physical condition is in good condition. The tread is still in recommended depth.
So we're gonna move to engine oil replacement. First, start the engine and wait until 15 minutes to make sure the car temperature is normal. Next, use a bumper to raise the car and loose the engine oil cap to reduce the pressure. Next step is place a container and open the engine oil hood. Firstly, use a spanner to loose the hood and remove the hood just using a hand. After that, clean the bolt and put it back. Okay, so in order to remove exciting oil filter, use a filter wrench to remove the filter and replace it with a new filter. Next step is pour in a new oil and turn on the engine and look for the leak and make sure the temperature is stable until the warning light to turn off.